Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of how to sign up for Bybit affiliate program. So make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process. At first, you're gonna go to Google or whatever browser you want, and then you're gonna search for Bybit affiliates, and then click on the first website that comes up, which will look something like this. And then we're gonna click on join our affiliate program. Now, you need to basically have a Bybit account before that. So we're going to sign in very quickly. Okay. Now, this is how your account should look like. This should be your account. Now, you need to put in one channel. So basically, this will be the channel through which you will be doing most of the affiliate. So go on and fill out any of this, like just paste your Facebook link or just paste in your YouTube channel link. And then you're going to put in your place of residence. And you're going to put in your like your name and then your email address, and then you click on I agree and then click on submit. And then what's going to happen is your form is going to someone from the Bybit program who will review all of the information, and if they check out your account and think that okay, you are a good fit, in your email you will receive the verification and confirmation that you have successfully signed up as a Bybit affiliate program. Click here to access your account, and from there you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.